Example 1.4k. Let's see. Part A. Find the sum of multiples of 3 from the value 50 to 100. That means in between these two values, find the sum of the multiples of 3. Okay. Part B. Find the sum of multiple of 6. Okay. One is 3, one is 6. In same range, 50 to 100. Lastly, find the sum of all integers from 50 to 100 that are multiples of 3. Okay, let's have a look at part A and part B first, later on to explain more in part C. Part A. Multiple of 3, that means here you can think it as a series with the common difference of an arithmetic sequence is 3. Okay, that means, okay, let's see. What is the first term? Yeah, the first term is 51 because 51 can divide by 3. Okay, and let n be the number of multiples of 3 from 50 to 100. Okay, inclusive. That means include 50 and 100 if they are the multiple of 3. So here 51 plus n minus 1 times 3 smaller than 100. Okay, you can think it like this. So n minus 1 smaller or equals 49 over 3. So n smaller than this one. That means there are 17 terms. Okay, so the sum equals 17 over 2 times 2 times 51 plus 17 minus 1 times 3. Okay, so the answer 1275. Okay, not difficult, right? Let's see part B. Can you find the first term of the multiple of 6 in between this range? Maybe I give you 3 seconds. Think about it. Okay, the answer is 54. Yeah. This time I let m be the number of multiples of 6 from 50 to 100 inclusive. So this one 54 plus m minus 1 times 6 smaller than 100. So m minus 1 smaller or equals to 46 over 8. So m smaller or equals to 8 and 2 over 3. That means there are 8 terms in this range. So part B, the sum equals 8 over 2, and then 2 times 54, the first term, plus 8 minus 1 times 6. As a result, 600. Okay. Then part C. Part C. the sum of the all odd integer from 50 to 100 that are multiple of 3. Why we pick up all the odd integers, and what is the relation between C and A, B? Part A, multiple of 3, and you think that, okay, 51, 54, 57, and then 60, and then etc., right? All are the multiple of 3. And the multiple of 6 actually is this one and this one. If it goes on 63, 66, and then dot dot dot. What happened? Yeah, you can see that all even number of multiple of 3 are the multiple of 6, right? So part C, I should find all the sum of all odd integer in this range right now that are multiple of 3. That means you can pick up the answers of part A, okay, and part B. Actually, 600 is the even number of the multiple of 3. So you just minus A, minus B from A, then you can find the answer. Okay, so sum of all odd integers from 50 to 100 that are multiple of 3. Actually equals to 1275 minus 600. Then you get that 675 is the answer. Okay? Understand how to do this one? You can have a look once again by yourself.